Hey guys, so this video is going to be my everyday makeup routine. So this is the makeup that I do every day for work and just anything, honestly. I don't usually wear eyeshadow every day and lipstick and all that stuff, but I always do my face and like foundation and all that. So I'm gonna show you what I do, how I do it. I am no beauty guru, so keep that in mind. Also, I keep all of my makeup in this makeup bag. This is everything that I use every day, and it's just this Zoella Beauty makeup bag, and it says these are a few of my favorite things. Yeah, and also I use just one of these mirrors, so all that light, that's what you see. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So usually I have moisturizer and a primer on my face. I start with that. So like in the morning I'll wash my face, put moisturizer on, and then once that dries I put primer on, and I use the Smashbox primer. I just use whatever moisturizer I'm feeling that day. I don't have like a set go-to one. I just kind of use anything that's good for moisturizing your skin, and that's matte because my skin is oily. But the first thing that I do after that is I use foundation, and this one is Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. And then I have this Real Techniques beauty sponge, and because this has a dough applicator on it, I just kind of put it on like that. And also I just want to say, sometimes when I have like a lot of acne and like my face is really red, I will use this Kick-Ass All Is Calm Redness Concealer, and this is from the brand Soap and Glory, and it's just a green concealer stick. But it's just a green concealer stick, so I'll just like put it on and then blend it in with this, as you can see, and then I'll put my foundation on top of that. So next is tackling these under eyes, because there's bags under them every single day. So I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. It has this like sponge applicator, and yeah, it looks really nasty because it's like old, sort of, if that makes sense, but like it just gets everywhere. But I just kind of pat it like under my eyes like that, and then I blend it in. And although my foundation is like foundation slash concealer, I still like to put concealer on because acne. So I use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer, and I absolutely love this. I've been using this concealer for a long time now, and it's like my go-to. I'm obsessed with it. And with this, I just put it on anywhere that I'm more red or have anything going on, like pimples and all that fun stuff. So next, it's time for setting powder, and the one that I love that I've been using for a few years now is MAC Studio Fix, and I love this stuff. I mean, a lot of people like it, and it has the little sponge, but I don't use that. I really only use that like if I'm traveling or like throwing this in my purse. I like to use it with the powder brush from Real Techniques, which, fun fact, are my all-time favorite brushes. Just put it all over my face, and I only do like a little bit because I don't want my skin to look cakey or anything, but I just need something to kind of set everything in since my skin is very oily. Then it's time for blush, and I use the Tarte Amazonian Clay in Party, and I love this so much. It's like my absolute favorite blush. I really love the color. I think it's beautiful, and it goes with a lot, and I don't know, it's just like a very neutral and pretty blush color. Again, I'm using a Real Techniques brush, and this is the blush brush. So last but not least is my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I use this Boots brand, the like #7 beautiful eyebrow sculpting pencil, and on one end it's like the actual pencil, and then on the other end it's like a spoolie, but I don't use that side. I only use the pencil side, and it's in brown, just brown. I think they have light brown, they have like a whole bunch of different colors, but I love this. I've been using it for a long time now, and I just think it fills in your eyebrows but without making it like too much, you know, and it's not like too dark, but I really love this. So this is my everyday makeup routine. Like I said, I'm no beauty guru, so don't judge me on my technique and how I do things, but this works for me. This gives me the coverage that I like. It took me a while to find these makeup products that I really like, and I just go through different products a lot. Like, I feel like I find something and then I get tired of it, or I find something and it works and then it just doesn't work anymore. But these have been some of my favorite things that I've been using for a long time now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe below if you want to see more videos, and that's about it. Thank you so much for watching.